Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah, is King Yediah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. Today is the 12th of July 2022. It's a Tuesday at 3:42 p.m. Eastern Time in New York City, and I'm in the live trade on GBP/USD. So let me just break down how I got into this trade. So this right here is the quantum currency strength indicator, and as you can see, the GBP currency is moving down, right? And I have this is my own little creation. It's like the mean, the midway point. I call it the equator. So anything diving below that, I'm looking to short that. And as you can see, the US dollar is at overbought level. This is the overbought level right here, and that's the US dollar right there in the red. GBP is the blue, right? So we have that that divergence, right? So we're looking to short something against the US dollar. So the US dollar had this higher value there on the Camarullas. You see, this is S3, right? Oh, wait, that's the wrong one. Hold on. All right. So you see S3 right here is way, you see it's coming up here. This line is pushing up. It's way above the previous day R3, right? And R3 is all the way up here, right? So it's a higher value 2-day relationship. So we're supposed to be looking for longs, right? But what happened is it pulled back to support, right? So it didn't break out. It didn't look for higher value. We pulled back to support, which is S3, right? So now that we're at S3, we got some volume came in here. You see, it's this volume here is actually higher than everything else. So you see that only one touch before, but this is high volume coming down here into the what we call stopping volume, right? So we got the support, got this hammer candle, got this reversal bar, got this hammer candle right here. Let me see if I can make that bigger. Right, hold on. Right. So right. So got this reversal candle right here. Got this hammer candle. Smaller sell-off candles. Big push up, right? Volume increased. Little pullback. ABCD kind of pattern. And now we're pushing up above lower VWAP, sorry. So it's looking real bullish right now. Like we're gonna get the recovery and we're gonna keep on pushing higher, right? So with that said, with GBP over here, the quantum currency strength indicator with GBP moving down, actually CAD looks weaker, but I ran with GBP at the time. To me, GBP at the time was looking the most promising because it was coming down from a overbought level and pushing down, right? So these right here, like NZD, that lower dark green line, it's kind of already at oversold. So that's where you get that bounce, right? So I prefer to take the GBP, right? So going over to the GBP chart, let's see. Right, so I entered here at what is it, 1.19012, and we had some consolidation right here before we broke down. So we broke underneath. This is, let me grab the arrow. This is the money zone. I think I talked about that in a previous video. This is the volume point of control of the money zone, and this right here, this red line slash pink, I guess, is the upper VWAP, right? So when price is at a resistance level right here, right, and you see these wicks and it's struggling to push further, when it breaks this line right here, this upper VWAP line, it's a good place to go short, right? This line right here, once it breaks, it's a good place to go short. But I went short on this candle because I already saw that the US dollar was recovering, right? And let's see, what's the Camarilla levels today on this? Let's see what we got. So these are the weekly Camarillas, and this green line right here is S4, right? And we actually broke below S4, but now we're back above. So let's see, hopefully it breaks down past S4 and VWAP, which is this white line right here. And this white line going across the horizontal line is the value area low of the money zone, and this purple line right here is the value area high. So we're breaking these high levels right here, and if we break this value area low right here and VWAP, that's a good sign to hit my target at 1.18247. Let's see what the Camarilla levels are for today. Those were the weekly Camarillas I was talking about just now, the S4 level. So this is the intraday Camarilla levels. So we have a lower value relationship, so we're looking for shorts, and with this push up, this push down right here, the recovery, and that's how I got this short thesis, right? Because we came back up to this resistance level, and I'm expecting it to flush down back to these levels right here, right? So I'm a little cautious. I didn't put it to S4, which I'm probably do that if like I'm gonna start trailing my stop. Once this breaks VWAP and stuff like that, I'm gonna put it to break even and just let the trade play out, you know. And I'll start adjusting this, take profit, move it lower and stuff like that. And yeah, that's the trade setup, man. So actually this stop here is a little, I guess it's a little tight. I should have put it like above R3 just to be on the safe side, but I think this resistance level right here at this level, I think is good enough. I think we have enough resistance right here to stay below R2, right? I think it'll be good enough, but we'll see. You know, it's Forex. You know, Forex is kind of wild, man. It's a lot of big money in Forex, so the liquidity is kind of crazy. So at any given time, any central bank could just, you know, just upset the whole trade by doing something crazy and I guess slamming some buys. You know, I mean, somebody just come and buy up a bunch of GBP and you know, just kind of offset the trade. And that's how it goes in Forex, you know what I'm saying? Well, that's my trade setup. That's my live trade right there. Breaking it down a little bit, giving you a little technical analysis, showing you how I use my indicators and stuff like that. And it's your boy King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and you'll trade safe and stay blessed.